Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a signed-in Google account and the classroom website or app open. Once ready, get the class code from your teacher. Open class. Google, Com or the classroom app and look for the plus button in the top right. Click it and choose Join Class. Enter the code exactly as provided. Code characters are case-sensitive in appearance though not case-dependent, and submit. This immediate step starts your access. Do it now so you don't miss announcements or materials. If you don't have the code yet, check the classroom stream or your school email where teachers post it. Once done, students use plus then join class and type the code. Teachers who need the code go to the gear icon, then class code in settings to reveal, copy, or reset it. Resetting creates a new code to restrict joins. On mobile, the same plus join flow works. Paste the code if it's long. Make sure to confirm the class name before finalizing the join. Once you enter a valid code, you'll land on the class card and see the Stream, Classwork, and People tabs. Click Classwork to access assignments immediately. Make sure notifications are set to receive updates and confirm your display name so the teacher recognizes you. If you get an invalid code error, check that you're signed into the correct school Google account and that the teacher enabled joining. As a key troubleshooting tip, ask the teacher to reset or reshare the code and try joining in an incognito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.